Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back with me WDO. Now I'm gonna make a video about what's new on Windows 11. As you can see, this is the Windows 11 on my laptop. Now I'm gonna show you if this is the real Windows 11. I'm gonna open up the properties. Wait a second. Yeah, this one. Yeah, Windows 11 Pro, but this is the developer version. But don't worry, it's has the same feature as the normal version. Yeah, at least the same. Okay, now I'm gonna show you five main thing that you can get on your Windows 11. Okay, now let's jump to the first one. Yeah, on Windows 10, usually when you right click on here in the taskbar, you will see task manager and something like that, but now you will see taskbar setting. Okay, so don't do that. If you want to see the task manager, you will have to right click on here on the start menu, but if you left click it, you will see the bunch of apps. Yeah, but you don't have to left click it, but right click. So I will show you. Right click on it and you will see the task manager. But it is only for task manager? No, as you can see, there are a bunch of settings here. This management, a Windows PowerShell. I will tell you what is Windows PowerShell next. Device manager. Yeah, so you then have to click the here and type task manager, type device manager or the disk management. You don't have to do that. Yeah, you don't have to do that. You just have to right click on the Windows logo and it will come up something like this. Yeah, it will make your job easier. Okay, something like that. That is the first one. Yeah, you can right click on the start menu on the Windows logo. And then the second one is of course you already know. Yeah, you can run Android apps here. Yeah, for example is TikTok. We'll open up the TikTok. Yeah, which is my TikTok. Okay, I will search it. Yeah, because I don't use it lately, so we will have to search it. Okay, this one. Yeah, you can use TikTok on your Windows 11, something like that. Okay, maybe no, something like that. Okay, it won't stop. Yeah, something like that. You will can install TikTok on your Windows 11. Yeah, not only TikTok. Yeah, because the Microsoft is promised that we can use another Android apps. So just wait. Yeah, just wait. But for now, the most usable one is TikTok. Okay, let's jump to number 3. Okay, besides TikTok, the Windows 11 also bring the snapping to the new level. Yeah, on Windows 11 you also can do snapping, but in this one when you if you right click on here, okay, it will come with a bunch of options. Maybe you want to take this up to the left side and it will move to the left side, something like that. And then you can open another app, something like this, and then you also can right click on it and or you can hovering on it. Yeah, don't have to right click, I'm sorry, or only hovering on it on this one and you can put it here. Okay, so it by default you don't have to change the size. Yeah, you just they already make the size for you. So the snapping is very good in this Windows 11. That's the number 3. And the number 4, yeah, you can jump to multiple desktop, yeah, with ease, something like this. You can see here, this is the task view. I will click it. Yeah, okay, this is my desktop number 2. If I go to my desktop number 1, yeah, okay, something like this, okay, it already changed the background of the wallpaper also, yeah. Now if you want to go to another another desktop with ease, you only have to use the control and the Windows logo, something like this, the control, Windows logo, and the I will show you, yeah, control, Windows logo, and the arrow key, okay, arrow key. I will, but my hand is not there, so I will click it for you with my left finger, okay. Here the arrow key, okay, the arrow key, okay. So okay, it already changed. Okay, I will slip the TikTok, something like that, yeah. Remember, control, yeah, control, Windows logo, and the arrow key to jump to the another desktop. So you can go to another desktop with ease, something like that, this one. So that is the reason number 4. And the reason number 5, yeah, the last but not least, this is very, very useful for maybe the one who can use CMD, something like that. If normally, yeah, if you right click, you can oh no, not right click. If you want to use CMD, you have to click it here and type CMD, something like that, and then click. Wow, it's a bunch of thing that you do. But now if you want to open up CMD, you already have to right click here and then click this one, Windows PowerShell. It's the same with CMD but more powerful. As you can see, the background is not black but blue, yeah, but the functionality is same with CMD. So that's the 5 things that you can do with Windows 11. Maybe you can do more, yeah. Thanks for watching my video. I'm sorry if it's not as good as you think, but I try my best. If you like this video, please subscribe, and if you have the experience with Windows 11, you can comment down below. If you want to install Windows 11, I also have the video how to install it on your older desktop. As you can see, yeah, I install it on old laptop. Okay, thanks for watching, and ciao ciao.